2024 SCMR 1292 Interim maintenance. Father failing to comply with order for payment of maintenance to the minors. Contumacious conduct, a cost, imposition of family court. In accordance with Section 17A of the Family Courts Act, 1964, had the lawful authority to strike off the defense of the petitioner father and decree the suit for maintenance on the basis of averments in the plaint and other supporting documents on record of the case. Once the petitioner failed to pay the interim maintenance allowance by 14th day of each month during the pendency of proceedings, petitioner was also put to notice by the family court to clear the arrears of interim maintenance allowance, otherwise the provisions of Section 17A of the Act would be invoked, which the petitioner failed to comply with. Moreover, the determination of the amount of maintenance by the family court was neither arbitrary nor capricious. Hence, the High Court had rightly declined to interfere with the findings of the family court with regard to the quantum of maintenance allowance, in view of the callous disregard of the petitioner for the court's order to pay interim maintenance and his attempts to delay the payment of decreed maintenance allowance for his minor children. The Supreme Court imposed costs on the petitioner in the sum of rupees 100,000 only to deter such conduct in the future, with the direction that the cost shall be recovered by the executing court as part of the decree for maintenance. CPLA 3155L 2023 Shahzada Mir Farid v. MST Sobio Mir Farid.